Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
If you've ever felt overwhelmed by the clutter in your Notion gallery database, this tutorial is for you. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to transform your gallery view into a super clean, distraction-free space. Perfect for focusing on your content without all those extra fields getting in the way. Whether you use Notion for creative projects, tracking tasks, or even managing collections, mastering this little trick will make your workspace feel fresher and easier to navigate. So let's jump straight into it. First things first, head into your Notion workspace and open up the page containing your gallery database. For this example, imagine you're looking at a gallery of book covers, recipes, or projects, whatever you keep organized in Gallery View. Sometimes, the cards in this view are cluttered with property fields you might not need all the time, like tags, dates, or notes. These can make it harder to quickly scan the information you care about. So our goal is to filter out that visual noise. Now, look toward the top right corner of your database. You'll see a little option that says Database Settings. Some folks might miss this button since it doesn't always stand out, but it's really your command center for customizing how your database looks and behaves. Go ahead and click on Database Settings. Here's where the magic starts. Inside the Settings panel, there's a section called Property Visibility. This is crucial because it gives you the power to choose exactly which properties are shown on the cards in your gallery view and which are hidden. If you've never adjusted this before, you'll probably see every property listed out, from status and priority to dates and tags, and most of them will be toggled on by default. Take a moment here to think about which properties truly serve a purpose in your gallery view. For example, maybe you only want to see the title and a single key property, or maybe just the image and nothing else. To get that clean, minimalist look, simply start hiding all the unnecessary properties. In practice, this means clicking the toggle or eye icon next to each property to hide it from view. Don't worry, hiding a property here doesn't delete any data. It only makes it invisible in this specific part of your interface. All your details are still safe in the database for whenever you need them, like tucking away items in a drawer to keep your workspace tidy. As you hide each property, notice how your gallery cards start to clear up. The visual effect is immediate. Your gallery will show just the essentials, with no distracting extra fields. If you accidentally hide something you still want visible, you can always come back here and turn that property's visibility back on. Think of it a bit like curating an art gallery. You want every displayed item to enhance the experience, not distract from the main showcase. This step may take a few moments, especially if you have lots of properties. Be patient and methodical. Once it's done, you'll likely find your gallery view is much more inviting and useful. If you ever need to show specific data again, just revisit the settings and adjust the visibility as needed. It's that flexible, and that's all there is to it. You just transformed your Notion gallery database from cluttered to clean with a few simple clicks. Your information will now be front and center without anything in the way. If this tutorial helped you organize your workspace, go ahead and give the video a thumbs up, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or want me to cover more Notion tricks. And if you're new here or want more how-tos like this, don't forget to subscribe for more tips that make your digital life easier. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.